I don't want to give it away, but I play like a positive character. I'm like a parole officer, and I keep an eye on him during the movie, try to make him go straight because I'm not straight myself. But my role is very funny, man. I bring a lot of humor to the role, and they were going to film my role during the audition. That's how bad it was. But I brought it back to life.
When you sneak into the movie theater, when you go to the movie theater?
I lie, man. One time I brought in a 2-foot long and a 32-ounce soda from AM. Latin scene. What's up, for Felipe Esparza right here at the red carpet premiere of Holy Cash with Paul Rodriguez, Jay Moore, Eris Spears, so many people to name. Edward James Olmos is here. There's a guy who looks like Edward James Olmos, but not Edward James Olmos. His name is Edward James Olmos.
This reality, as you're going to see now, is 22 years to do. Each and every one of you are very important to me. I appreciate your friendship. This movie came about because, you know, I've made a lot of good friends, and it's fantastic to get a movie like this on screen with a company like AMC, and I hope we live up to that. I think we will. This movie doesn't try to teach you or change you or do anything, and it makes you, for an hour and a half, I want you to just sit back and forget your problems and think of the problems these characters have. I want to thank you for ourselves. There's a great talent, you know. He's over for me, you know. I'm lucky if I can get a ticket to one of his shows. I'm happy for your success.
It's not every day I get to sit next to the cool kids.
Senor, I am in hell. Oh, God.
Hell? Why would you say that?
Because you look like the devil.
No, you dumbass. I'm God.
I gotta lay off the Ambien.
Good morning, residents.
It's time to get up,
Get out and get a job.
Pablo! We gotta find some other scam, man. I can't continue to be going back to prison. I'm too old for that.
Excuse me, are you here for the job?
Yeah.
What order do you belong to?
Restraining. I can't believe there's that kind of money in this thing.
Hello there, brothers and sisters. I'm gonna let everybody in here know God gives. The question is, do you?
Well, listen to me. It can't be that hard. Dumbass, he's making all that money. We could do the same.
Yeah, but we're dumbasses.
Yeah, but there's two of us. Let the Lord shine his light on you and not the one from the cops, you know?
Go Raiders!
I need to confess.
Where do I confess to?
Well, give me $20 and I'll absolve you. I am the Lord's servant, preacher Pablo.
There is a new preacher in town.
Preacher Pablo.
Preacher Pablo.
Preacher Pablo. Well, how much did we make?
$34,795.95.
I'm the boss of all the TV preachers. And if you want to keep part of the money, you're going to do as I say.
You went Will Smith on me. You don't gotta do that.
Aren't you a little old to be an altar boy?
I need you to say the Lord.
The Lord.
Why is the white guy in rhythm and we got three brothers here?
Hey! I forgot you're God. You know everything. You're like the IRS.
Hello.
I don't want to watch this.
I want to hear the word of the Lord. And if the Lord can forgive me, he can forgive a crackhead like you.
You gonna see Jesus?
Guys, can I smoke with you?
No, you're on parole, stupid. What are you, stupid or what?
I'm a lot like you, Father. We just joined different gangs.
The church is not a gang.
The 12 Apostles? That sounds like a great name for a gang.
You're hopeless, Pablo. You're hopeless.
You know, they're the OGs.